How you doing? Captain John Bibeau from Oyster Harbors Marine. Welcome aboard the new Carolinian 45 from Albemarle. We're up on the bow. You see the nice lounge pad, the forward seating. We also have under here a hidden live well for your bait. So if you're bow fishing, you don't have to go to the back. It's already right here. Nice big anchor locker. Through stem windlass. Freshwater washdown. You've got your FLIR, night vision, spreader bar, outriggers, open array Garmin. You also have several different angled swivel rod holders on both the starboard and the port gunnels. We'll walk down to the cockpit now. Nice easy walkway, high gunnels, easily accessible. Now we're in the cockpit with the 45. You're going to see a huge live well. Painted with the Carolina blue, keep those fish happy. You got in the transom, you've got city water hookup. 2 in-deck fish boxes, macerated as well. Go to the lazarette. Good accessibility. You got your water maker filters, Seakeeper 6. Ice chipper. Hidden behind your aft seating. Beautiful little tackle station. Even though the vessel is all digitally controlled, they still do backup switches for your main pumps, anything that you're going to use on a regular basis without having to go to a screen. And this is very impressive. This is your mechanical room with your generator. Also, straight below us, they have the massive saltwater pump. Feeds all your saltwater system throughout the whole boat. Keeps it nice and clean. Also, it's got the ladder storage for the dive door. We'll go up into the Helm's area next. So when you, on your step up into the Helm area, also got a freezer box here for bait. Stepping up into the Helm. 2 24-inch screens. Got your Mercury joystick control. Trim tabs. Got your radio locker. Stereo. Bow thruster. With the Mercury joystick, your bow thruster is also hooked up with it. So it's going to activate with your joystick. Your bow thruster is going to work as well. Make maneuverability a lot better. Got your Mercury gauges. More digitally controlled. You can see on the Garmin screen that all your switching, your lighting, your pumps, everything is on the Garmin screen again with backup regulars. Switching. You also have your phone charger. You get your power reels. And if you notice in the screen, that's a camera right into the cockpit. So you can watch the fish come in. Also, this is a mechanical room. We also have pictures of that camera in there so you can see what's going on in there as well. control your seakeeper, all your gauges. This is really nice when it tells you what your switches are on, also gives you your levels, your fuel, your diesel tank for your generator, your fresh water tank, your holding tank. Everything's right here, and you can see that from any screen in the boat. Beautiful release. Seating, individual footrests, so if someone wants to stand, someone wants to sit, you can separate the bolster pads the way you want them. They've got a really nice storage locker here that goes from bulkhead to bulkhead. So it's very large and long. Store your fenders, your lines, umbrellas. Here you're going to have a prep station. In here you're going to have a tackle drawer, and you're going to have all your air conditioning controls for your cockpit AC and for your chill plates. Then they also have an additional chill box up here for your waters, your sodas, your White Claws. Keeps you away from the bait so it stays clean. And then also we're going to have a large storage under the front facing seat. Beautiful visibility throughout the boat. Also above us into the hardtop, we're going to have a lockable rod storage. So you get decent, you can set it up the way you want it, and you get a decent amount of rods up there. And again, it's lockable, hidden. They utilize a lot of the space in this boat. We'll go down into the salon now. So go to our electrical control panel. So you're going to see everything's all here, your generator, again, your gauges. Also, like I told you before, it has the electricity in it, which keeps everything clean for your salt water, so it keeps the barnacles and the growth, everything out of anything you're using with salt water. So your ACs are all staying clean, all your strainers are staying clean. You've got a freezer drawer, refrigerator drawer, single cooktop. And we are really proud to announce that this was one of the 4th finalists in the Fort Lauderdale show for the in the class of under 60 feet. So they were in the top 4. Drop down dinette, converted into a bed. You've got your head with a separate shower on your starboard side. Then you've got your aft cabin. It's very large, and in the center, if you want to put the tube-style transducer, the deploying transducer, the tube's already in the hull. It's capped, so if you want to add it, it seems to be the new rage for what people want to do to see the fish. I was talking to a gentleman yesterday. He said he's been using it, and he could actually see the tuna right under the boat. He knew right where to put the line. Also, they really utilize all their space. Even under the staircase, they have all their drawers, cabinets, I mean, under every one of them. So they're really utilizing all the space in this boat. Very, very nice teak and holly sole. They did a really good job in picking out the grains. So the cabin really has a very genuine, rich look to it. Back up to the helm station. So you get the feel when you're at the helm of the boat. You feel you're on a bridge of a sport fish. It gives you that real large yacht sport fish feeling. And last but not least, we wanted to also show you the awesome power plant on this boat. Triple V12 600s. An amazing, quiet, powerful performance ride. This boat will do 55 miles an hour. You can cruise in the mid-40s with a fuel consumption that's exceptional. Also, we want to let you know this is going to wrap up the tour of Hull 1. Hull 2 is being built, is in production right now, and will be available soon at Oyster Harbors. Please feel free to contact us if you'd like to see it or even maybe purchase it. It's going to go quick. Thank you.